Hi, I'm Jennifer Branch, and it's time to paint Christmas cards. I'm so excited about this year's lineup of cards, and we're going to have so much fun painting them. This one is a Christmas tree because you have to have another Christmas tree at Christmas. There can never be enough. And this one is trains. So it has a cute little train going around it. And I'm going to show you very briefly sketching it with a fountain pen, but the PDF for this is available on my website. So if you happen to not feel like sketching and you just want to paint it and you feel a little coloring book or the paints where you want to explore, then just download it off my website, print it out on the card of your choice, or in cardstock will work beautifully, and paint it. It'll be fun. Let's paint. I'm beginning with my Noodler's black ink and my Noodler's Nib Creeper pen. When I'm doing something like this that's pretty complicated, I will start with a lot of the little details. If I started with the greenery, the space for the balls and the candy canes and the lights would be gone. So I need to start with the detailed things in this case. And I have some candy canes. And I thought with the train set, some of those old-fashioned Christmas lights, you know, the great big ones in bright colors, would work beautifully. Now, after sketching most of the detail work, it's time to do the very intricate detail work of this lovely train. I love trains, and this one reminds me a little bit of the Hogwarts Express, which is perfect for Christmas. Now that I've done all the detail, it's time to fill it in with a little bit of the greenery. Don't forget, you can always add more. Have some fun and just scribble this. It's a really light touch. Every single detail of the branches and things doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun with it and enjoy doing a tree. And here's the printable PDF. Go ahead and download it if you don't feel like drawing. After the ink has thoroughly dried, this is Noodler's black ink, and it takes a minute to dry. It's one of the quickest ones I've ever seen. It's completely waterproof once it's dry, but give it 10 minutes before you erase it and start painting. Now it's time for the fun part. Or if you started with the PDF, you start here. Just like the pen and ink, I'm going to start with the details, and that way my details aren't green. I can always use gouache, but I prefer not. The colors will be brighter. So I thought some cheery red balls here. So I'm not really trying to make these super realistic. I'm just painting them red. Notice how choked up I am on the brush. In a regular painting, not an illustration, I would never be that choked up. I'd be way back here. Now it's time for the train. I have to admit that this train is loosely based on a train set one, this cutest little N-scale train that I had when my husband and I first got married. We had a wonderful train set that took off most of our dining room wall. It was so much fun. And then, of course, the caboose must be red. There's no other color for a caboose. I'm going to put a few shadows underneath the train engine and cars right here. Now I'm mixing some gold with the Quinacridone Rust, nickel azo yellow, and it's mostly bleeding in. Just a tiny bit of shadow. It's a very formal piece illustration, so I don't want too much. Now I'm switching to a large number 4 rigger. I'm still holding it very, very choked up. I'm painting a tree in the living room, not in a forest. Time to speed it up a little bit. Just have some fun with this. It's just like the scribbling of the branches. You went very, very loose and just playing. Now just one more layer here of azo yellow. And here's the Christmas tree for 2018. I hope it inspires you to paint a beautiful Christmas tree card of your own. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. For more information, please visit my website, jenniferbranch.com. Paint lots this holiday season. I'll see you next week.